Today we're going to unbox another video and I'm going to take to you another unboxing Monday. So as you can see, meron tayong ginawang unboxing, so I decided maybe it's good if we're going to do an unboxing Monday, and Wednesday will be product review, and Friday either product review or makeup tutorial. So what would you suggest? So today, Monday nga, we're going to do an unboxing video. So I just received today a package. Tadaan! And this is from, tingnan natin, Maria Ginelli Skincare. Oh, Laishu. So we're going to open this one. Thank you so much sa nag-send. Alamin natin kung ano yung laman. Open na natin. I need a little help. Pasensya na, super, ay ano ba to? Super tight ng ano natin, screen. Sabay-sabay tayo. Kailangan nating i-sanitize na naman to. Another layer. Oh. Okay. So first, kung nakikita, is i-grab natin. Oh, parang naka-box. Oh, this is a Heavenly Dark Choco drink. Wow, thank you so much. Ito siya, guys. Heavenly Dark Cocoa Premium Drink with DHA Boost with DHA Omega 3. Chlorella Prebiotics. Ideal Athlete's Drink. So, love ko pa naman yung choco. So, this is very good. Thank you so much for this. By the way, guys, lahat ng mga na-unbox natin, I promise to say something about this on my social media page. So, follow me on my IG account and as well as my TikTok and FB account. So, lahat Saika Niki. It's CYKANIKI. We have here, let me see, oh, orange peel soap. Yan, thank you. With microdermabrasion, brightening, and exfoliating factors. Great. This is, excited ako nito. I'm going to make a review. Guys, even though pinadala to sa atin, rest assured that my review will be fair for you. Whoop. Oh! Woo! Wow, excited! Japonesa L-glutathione with alpha-lipoic acid and vitamin C. Oh! Japonesa ha, bongga! Meron na silang L-glutathione. So, I'm looking forward for this. So, magsa-start ako ng inom nito tonight. Ah, charot. Para ma-update ko kayo within 7 days. Ganun. So, this 500 milligrams siguro each capsule and 30 capsules sa isa nito. So, I will be placing the price here but wala pa tayong review kasi nga first day na pa natin tong naano ha. Wag agad-agad, besh. I-try muna natin. Alam nyo na yan. Hi, Michelle. Hope you enjoy these products. All of our products are made from 100% natural ingredients. We love animals. We are cruelty-free. And we always make sure that all of our products are made with love. We'd love to hear your thoughts or see pictures. Love, Maria Ginelli Skincare. Wow, thank you so much po, Maria Ginelli Skincare Company. Yes, guys, please visit them at Japonesa Official, Julia Botanica, and Heavenly Healthy Drinks. So, guys, thank you so much for this. Na-touch naman ako, oy. And ito, merong Japonesa na box. Ilalagay to dito. So, guys, alam nyo naman, meron akong review sa Japonesa soap. Isa rin sila na company na sa Japonesa soap. And please check the link of the description box. Meron akong 1-week review and 1-month review for that. So please check it out. And I hope you're going to look forward on my review about the Japonesa L glutathione. I'm super excited. By the way, guys, thank you so much for all of this, and I really appreciate this. Rest assured that we will be fair on all our reviews on these products. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching our Unboxing Monday, and I hope you look forward on another Unboxing Monday every Monday. So I'm super excited if I'm not lazy enough to edit and film videos. I hope that this will pursue Unboxing Monday and product review on Wednesday, and makeup tutorial or product review on Friday. And I hope that you're going to support this endeavor of mine. By the way, guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please click the join button. It would really help my channel to make more creative content for you. So I hope to see you guys on my next video. So bye bye for now. Sarang he. God bless.